Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix .NET Desktop Runtime missing error in Windows 11, 10. First method is install .NET Desktop Runtime Windows Installer. Second method is Visual C++ redistributable package. Third method is Safe Boot. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.